Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We will model this icosahedron in Onshape. An icosahedron has 20 triangular faces and all 30 edges have the same length. We will have a look at the intersection curve command applied to revolved surfaces and the bridging curve, but employed to define a straight line in space. All right, so this is the body. This is the top view. We see a pentagon here and another pentagon um, on at that level. We see those 5 faces here, and then a belt of 10 kind of interlaced faces, and then the same thing at the bottom. Okay. Here you can see the commands I use to define all that. Start with a 2D sketch, and yeah, it's the only sketch really, huh? And then extrude, surface extrude. Let's just get that back here. Show you that. So that is my sketch. Then comes the extrude. The next, a revolve. And then that first intersection curve. And so on. But let's do that together. So I'll get this over here and start my sketch on the top plane with polygon 5-sided. Go back one, make one line horizontally, give it that dimension, whatever, 88. Press P for the visibility to hide all those planes, right? And one circle defined by the outer corner. Okay, so that's it really for sketching. And now let's think a bit about it. We want to build one triangle. The length of the sides is defined by this length, and that will have to connect somewhere on a surface body, which is defined by that circle. All right, that's maybe a bit too abstract, so let's get into it. I go to extrude, surface, new, take that way up, accept that, keep that sketch 1 visible, and let's work in the translucent way. Now, we will make a revolve, and that is a surface revolve. We take that edge, and the revolve axis is that one, and we accept that. All right, so now every point on that circle has that length, right? So we need to find out where this intersects with our second surface body. So that's why we pick this command, intersection curve. Group 1 is that one. Group 2 is that one. Accept that. Maybe hide those bodies. And so the length from that vertex to that one is the same as that one. And that's why we use the bridging curve. Now I had picked that before match position. You might have to choose that match position. Same with the end. And now pick that vertex and pick that one. So that's a straight line. There is no curvature or anything. Accept that and do that one more time. That one, that one. Oh, gotta jump to that window here. All right, so that's it for that part. And we could fill that out with the fill command. Take that edge, that one, and that one. Accept that. And then we will pattern that around here. Okay, no problem. But first we need that other, let's say that bottom triangle, which will have that edge as a start and will be going towards the center, and the end point, so to say that point, will be vertically to that center point. Okay, so there are many ways, but let's take one where we revolve, again, one edge here, surface. I want to revolve that one around that axis. All right. And then let's just now cut that with one of our now planes, right? So intersection curve again. I take that one, and then it will be that front plane, right? Not again. Here, front plane. Great. So that is our edge. So now we go again into our bridging curve. Take that vertex, take that one, accept that, and do that one more time. Take, now I'm getting confused here, that one, and that one, accept that, hide that surface body, curves. Well, we can fill that out with a fill command. 1, 2, 3. We can add that to that first one. And then we'll need an axis, and we'll use just as well the bridging curve again. Take the origin, take that corner, take that corner, accept that, and hide pretty much, well, that sketch, um, that surface, um, that curve, that curve, and then let's start that pattern, circular pattern around here 5 times, and add that, accept that. All right. So now we need to mirror that to the top and then revolve it a bit. So one way of doing that is we need a plane that is half between that top plane we were on and that edge. So I'll define a plane, plane point, that one, and top, and then just once more, midplane, that one, and that one. Great. Now mirror that part over that surface, new, okay. And then let's make that transform. We want to transform that by rotating around that same axis, and that angle is 36, right? So accept that, hide all planes, and then we can now make a Boolean operation, right? That one and that one, accept that, and we got a solid part here. Okay, we can hide that axis, hide curve 7. We might want to have a look at it in shaded mode. But in this case, I think it's nicer and translucent. All right, so that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, you can leave a like, comment, or you might even subscribe to my channel. And, well, talk to you soon.